Welcome to our latest tech review, where today we're exploring the vivo T3x, a smartphone performance at an affordable price. The vivo T3x has 6.72-inch IPS LCD display, peak brightness of 1000 nits, making it perfect for both gaming and streaming. Under the hood, the T3x is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. With options ranging from 4GB to 8GB RAM and 128GB to 256GB storage, featuring a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor, and an 8MP front camera. The T3x doesn't just look good on the outside, it sounds great too, thanks to its stereo speakers. One of the most impressive features is the 6000 mAh battery, which supports 44W fast charging. Available in Crimson Bliss and Celestial Green, starting price of about 12499 Indian rupee. It's accessible to a wide range of users. So, if you're in the market for a new smartphone that offers great features without breaking the bank, the vivo T3x might just be what you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.